Now that we have selected our building, we must look at how to actually start and select a washer and dryer. First, we need to look at our account balance. This top balance, where it says add funds, this has been disabled. You are not able to add this because we don't want you to accidentally spend your own money. The University of Richmond includes unlimited laundry credits while you have an active housing contract. These credits are non-refundable and will automatically reload overnight once the low balance threshold is met. Only Spider laundry credits can be used to complete a laundry transaction. With this in mind, we now must click Details by Spider Laundry Credits Balance. And now we will type in our net ID as well as our long Richmond password. And we'll click Login. Once this is successful, you may now navigate below.